At Swift Movement Academy, we break our training into 3 different phases. Phase 1, restore. Phase 2, rebuild. And phase 3, resilience. Our first phase to work with us is called restore. Our primary focus in restore is to improve your mobility, get you moving better, and get you moving to a place where you start to feel confidence in what you're doing and you're not fearful of the things that have been holding you back. Then we move into phase 2, which is called rebuild. And the idea behind rebuild is that we've already set some pretty solid foundations in restore, and now we're leveling up. The idea with this is to make sure that we're building the strength that you need and the capacity in activities in really safe but strong positions for you. This is our opportunity to challenge you a little bit and start to build some strength in areas that you probably haven't worked in a while and that need a little bit of attention. And we're going to use our testing metrics to make sure that we're individualizing what you need to get you where you want to go. Then we come to phase 3, resilience building. Now this phase is arguably the most important part, but often the part that gets missed. And the reason being is that most health professionals want to get you out of pain, but that's all they do. They don't actually build resilience so that you can go beyond that. And the reason that that's important is because if injury happens here for you and your health professional gets you here, there's really not much room between you getting injured again or not. And so you're playing a fine line. When we build that resilience, we build that buffer. So therefore, if you do, have an upset week where something happens in your life, and we know this happens, then instead of being here and dropping back below and getting injured again, which is frustrating, we're already all the way up here. So we can bring you back down and you've still got such a buffer. And that's why resilience is important. So if you're ready to experience life-changing rehab too and fix yourself not just for now, but for life, then join us.